Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. We're good to go.
It's been about just over 4.5 years, I believe. A lot of these people on this route I've known from the beginning. They're good people and they're almost like family.
Mike retired a few years before I did. Kind of sat around, did a little of this, did a little of that for about 2 years, and I said, oh, that's about enough of this.
My favorite part of Meals on Wheels is this route and is the people. These are the people that just touched my heart the most. I just clicked with them. I felt like they needed me and I needed them, and so I stayed with this route.
The food is excellent, it's nutritionally balanced, and everybody knows they're getting a good meal.
And everybody seems to like it.
You just don't realize how many people out there are on very limited incomes.
Many of them have no other source of food. In fact, probably all of my clients have no other source of food, really.
There are people that just really need a little bit extra because they're not getting any extra from anywhere else.
Most of them, especially on this route in the inner city, they don't have any contact really with any other people. I'm likely the only person that they're going to see to even check in on them. For example, last week one of my clients was having heart pains. So it's just, I keep a close eye on things, and I have the right people to reach out to back at Meals on Wheels if there's something that doesn't seem right.
The people that work there on a daily basis, they're all into this. They're really contributing to the senior citizen community. It's definitely a worthwhile organization, and I think it's beneficial for everybody all the way around.
I've had anywhere, probably the lowest I've had in this neighborhood is 12 clients at a time. When Corona first started, I think it went up to about 30 in the neighborhood I was doing. When people are older and you think that they don't have any value in society anymore, if you get to know them, I've listened a lot to them, and just the advice and the wisdom they have to offer. They have so much to offer.